Hi everyone, welcome to CLLST. So we are hoping that CLAT 2021 is happening in May, and there's nothing like CLAT 2020 and the exam won't get postponed. So keeping in mind that suppose CLAT 2021 is happening in May 2021, we need to have a strategy for next 6 months that what we are going to do for the exam if we are aiming the top 5 college or if we are aiming to crack the exam. So in that case, first of all, we need to know that there are two categories of student. One is those who are not appearing in boards, those who are the droppers, and the second one is those who are appearing in boards. So those of you who are appearing in boards, you have to make a balance between your CLAT preparation and your board exam, because in few months your pre-board will start, then your board will start. So this is the right time where you come up with the strategy that what we have to do. And those who are dropping a year to crack the exam, so you have nothing, or you have nothing, or you have no other thing to do except to uh, to prepare for CLAT. So in that case your strategy should be different from those of you who are appearing in 12th and who are having boards. So when I talk about the common strategy which everyone has to apply, the first and foremost thing which you have to keep in mind is you have to go and you have to thoroughly examine the syllabus of CLAT 2020. And for that, please visit the website of CLAT Consortium, check what the syllabus is. The next step is to solve 2020 CLAT paper, because once you solve the actual paper you get a clarity with respect to syllabus, you get a clarity with respect to what type of questions will be asked. Then the next step is, we all know that CLAT is having five topics. So we have to plan our strategy for all these five topics. And earlier also in many of my videos I have stated that what you are supposed to do for these five topics. So for first and foremost thing is, when you look at CLAT 2020 paper, you'll see or you'll come across that most of the questions or most of the articles or the passages which was referred in the paper or which was asked in the paper were taken from newspaper. So the first thing which we are supposed to do is to read newspaper on daily basis. We have to at least give 2 hours daily to newspaper reading. In newspaper reading also sometimes you get confused that what all topic we shall read. So there I would suggest that divide the entire topic of newspaper in 5 sections. The first one should be the polity, what the government is doing and everything related to parliament, everything related to government, whether state government, union government, the local municipalities, panchayati raj. So one thing which you have to refer is to polity section. The second one is economy. So what is related to economics, so you can keep in that aspect. The third one may be environment. So whatever is related to environment, climate change and all, you have to keep it there. The fourth one can be your judiciary, which is the most important topic. So you have to keep an eye on judicial news as well. The fifth one will be miscellaneous, having other topics like science and tech, sports, awards, everything. And apart from this, editorial is must, because now the entire CLAT syllabus is in passage format. So our reading speed should be good, and also we need to have an idea about how a person writes or how an author writes an article. Sometimes an author may be in support of the article, sometimes they may be against that. So how they are criticizing it, how they are coming to a conclusion, so you have to keep all these things in idea. So this is the first thing. So once we are done reading with newspaper, we have to give certain times to each and every subject. So for those who are not appearing in boards, they have just glad to write, so you can have your own strategy. For example, you may study 2 or 3 subjects in a day, or like whatever suits you, you can frame a routine. But for those who are having schools also, they are having board exam also, you have to make a balance. So there you can, what you can do is, apart from your board preparation, you should give 2 hours daily to your CLAT preparation. And there is one general rule which applies to each one of you. So the first general rule is that since you have exam in May, so what you have to do is you have to take out, I mean, the first thing is we are covering GK, that is the first section. Apart from GK, what we are supposed to do is, for the other section is, first thing which we'll do is we'll keep one subject for a day. For example, Monday if I'm reading legal, so Tuesday I'll read English, Wednesday I'll read logical, Thursday I'll read quant. So these are the 4 things or the 4 subjects which I'm covering in 4 days. GK, I'm not giving any specific day for GK because we know that we are reading newspaper on daily basis, so there is no need to give a specific day for GK. Friday and Saturday you can revise the entire subject whatever you have read in that particular week. On Sunday, take a mock. Whenever a mock is scheduled, I mean on every Sunday, just take one mock, because mock taking is not only about giving the exam, it's about looking after your performance. It's about finding out what's your weakness, what's your strongest area, and so that whenever next mock is scheduled, you are improving or you are working on that. And one thing guys, when we take mock, so we are spending 2 hours on mock taking, so the next thing of ours shall be to analyze that mock. So if your mock takes 2 hours of yours, the analysis will take at least 3 hours, 4 hours, where you have to analyze each and every question. You have to check what where you have made the mistake. If you have answered something correctly, whether you answered basing on your guesswork or it was based on your knowledge. Even if it was based on your knowledge, what was your reasoning given, or what was your reasoning which you applied while attempting that question, and what's the reasoning given in what's the answer given by the faculty. So you have to do a thorough analysis of the mock. So this is few things which you have to work for. Next 6 month you have to stick to your routine. You can make routine as per your convenience, and accordingly you can work on it. Thank you guys, all the best.